Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Neha Verma and today we will discuss about real estate versus mutual fund investment. Which option is better to invest? We will consider profitability, liquidity, consistency, growth, returns. We will cover all these aspects in this video. So stay connected with me till last to get better understanding about this topic. Whenever we think about investment, then real estate come into our mind. We thought real estate gives better returns in long term and give more profitability, but we lack the concept of consistency and liquidity. If we need money on an urgent basis, then we can't sell our investment immediately. So we can't get our money back as instant as possible as mutual funds. We can sell them anytime, anywhere. Real estate investments also includes registration charges, stamp duties, etc. So it's also become expensive to invest. If we need fund for investments, then mutual funds require very less funds in comparison to real estate. In real estate, we require more funds to invest. If we talk about returns, then in long term, mutual fund can give better results than real estate. It also provides liquidity. It also consistent in comparison to real estate investments. Mutual funds are very flexible in comparison to real estate. In mutual funds, through SIPs, we can invest very small amount in every month to get a better return. It gives a really high return in comparison to real estate if we consider it as long-term investment. It also contains risk that it cannot be totally profitable. It's all about the idea of investment that you want to invest. It's all about the return which you want in a given period of time. It's all about the goal which you want to achieve from your investments. If we talk about profitability or returns, then mutual fund can give better results than real estate investments. It has the capability. There is lot of paperwork in real estate that is so time consuming. On the other hand, mutual funds are so convenient to invest that you can invest from anywhere, at your home, at your office, or even if you are traveling. So you can use your phone, your smartphone, your laptop to invest from anywhere. So that is become most time efficient investment. Real estate investments, it has the capability to give better results because of its compounding nature. So mutual funds get thumbs up in terms of liquidity, growth, returns, consistency. It covers all aspects that you need in your investment. Please share your thoughts in the comment sections. Which option do you prefer to invest? Real estate or mutual funds? I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.